hook up to it.
Good.
Like this one is. This is the same.
It has a pressure valve as well.
Oh, okay.
Now, on some systems where you want to run it by pressure, and you also want to hook up to the gauges, you're going to have to put a key on it.
Right.
And then the one side will be
Did you unplug it? Okay.
So this is the key part or service valve?
But what they did on this one is they installed on the other end right there.
Another service valve. Okay.
No, they just need to hook up the gauge.
Okay. All right.
If you hook up on these are straighter valves.
Oh.
These are not straighter valves.
Oh, so when you gotta close
You
that
take
down
that
before
off,
you.
that dang thing gonna shoot gas over to that wall.
Right. So you gotta close it down. You
Close
gotta
it
front
down,
seat it
right.
first, right? Then you can take it off.
Yes.
Okay.
But you test the pressure from here to here.
From here to here, those got straighter valves down.
Yeah.
Damn. So that don't have them. I'm glad nobody didn't take that off.
Because you have to close this first.
Yeah. Man, there should be a sign hanging there.
Capacidade.
You have to close it first before you open that
But
door.
I'm looking at it. It looks weird the way it looks, you know?
You see, they got the same thing like this, and
Right.
this one have a top.
Right. Well, see,